The secret to be 20 years younger. Peptide Dear Collagen Essence Set. Free trial of the original pack. If you are not satisfied, you will get a full refund. My grandmother is nearly 80 years old. Her hair is all gray. But there is not a single streak on her face. Because she keeps using this Peptide Collagen Serum every day. It's rich in anti-wrinkle Peptide. Can penetrate deep into the skin. Quickly absorbed. Revitalize the skin. Just put it on your face. Massage in a circular motion to absorb. Keep using it for 7 days. You'll notice. Wrinkles have disappeared. Skin is firmer. Your face is hydrated. Wrinkles on the face. It doesn't matter if you have wrinkles around your eyes, headlines, or crow's feet. Whether your face has been sagging for 10, 20, or 30 years. You can use it. Order now. We'll also give you a free trial of the original pack. If you're not satisfied, we will give you a full refund.